Hello, every pony. It is me, Magia Star. And for the past week, I have been sick. Don't worry, it's just strep. I'm okay. But I thought I could, use some benefits, and do some techo-colored horse impressions while sick. So let's try it. Here we go.
I'm Twilight Sparkle, the princess of friendship. Spike! No, the princess of friendship never gets sick. Why would you think that? Hi, Applejack. Can you help me get my chores done? It hurts really bad to talk like this. I need help. Please, Applejack.
Oh my god.
Hi. I was actually wondering if you could send me some cough drops. I would really appreciate it.
Oh, there it is.
Would really appreciate it. I'm kinda really ill. Thank you. You're ill? I think I'm the most ill. I can't even make the party noises. Party!
I really hope I don't lose my pinky after this. I really hope I don't. Okay. Sorry, excuse me. Gesundheit.
Darling, this is the worst possible thing.
I really need to stop talking higher.
I cannot get sick. You can't make me. I need some air. Some fresh air.
Hey, Octi. I was wondering if you wanted to help me recover. Aw, come on, babe. You know you want to drop some sick beats for me. Please, Octi.
Lionel, I told you to get some rest. You can't even do that, can you? All right, Vinyl. Whatever you say.
Oh, yeah! It's Rainbow Dash in the house. What's wrong? Oh no, I always sound like this. I'm so awesome. I just always sound like this.
Oh my god! Woo-wee! Woo-wee! That's more like it. Now what's next? Oh, I actually can sound like Applejack. Howdy, y'all! Hey, Bloom. Do you need some help, Sugar Cube? I sound so much higher than I'm supposed to. Why do I sound higher than I'm supposed to? What about...
My daddy buys me everything I want. Isn't that right, Silver Spoon? That's not true, Silver Spoon.
Can't. Okay, I'm done. I hope you enjoyed. Now, if you excuse me, I am going to take some Benadryl. Don't do drugs, kids. Okay, bye. Mwah, love you, cookies.